What's happening? It's your boy Koja Gate right here in the building. If you're trying to buy airtime with your credit card, let me say you're in your room and don't want to go out and then buy airtime. You're trying to buy airtime with your credit card but don't know how to buy it. Follow me and then watch this video to know how to buy airtime using your credit card, your Visa card. Yeah. Okay. So go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, so when you go to Play Store, you search for expresspay, expresspay, expresspay. Okay. As you can see, this is expresspay. I have it downloaded. So you click on install, then it will download. After that, you click on open. So as you can see, I have an account already, so I'm just gonna log in. When you first open the app, you have to create an account and then log in. So since I already have an account, I'm logging in. Okay, now I've logged in. So what you're gonna do is to click on the airtime. Yes, then choose the network you're buying airtime to. So I'll be choosing Vodafone prepaid top up. Then you click on add. As you can see, then you enter your number 020-350946. Sorry, 9948. Okay. Then I'll go to next. Then you if you want to fix that amount like 1 CD, 2 CDs, 5 CDs, you choose fixed amount. Then if you're gonna buy like 1 CD 20 pesos, 1 CD 50 pesos, you click on other amount, other amount. Then you enter the amount you're trying to buy. Let me say 5 CDs, 5 CDs 20 pesos, 5.20. Okay, so what you're gonna do is pay with, as you can see, I have my Visa card already linked to it. So if you're new here, just click on either new payment, and then you choose from the first one, which is Visa, Mastercard, Amex, or Discover. Then you click on it. Then you enter your Visa card number. Let me say this is my Visa card number, 403. So when you're done, the expiry, the name will come. You enter your name. Yes. Next, expiry 0724. Then they will tell you to enter your CVV. Let me say 966. Then next, this is how it's gonna be. Then you enter country, city, state, zip code. That's all. Then you click on next. So I'll be choosing my my credit card. This is it. Then you click on pay. When you click on pay, that's all. Thank you for watching this video.